Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Aman sir and today we will deal with narration. आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं नरेशन के बारे में. Narration is also known as change of speech. Narration को हम change of speech भी कहते हैं. Now we have two speeches, direct speech, indirect speech. हमारे पास दो स्पीचेस है, डायरेक्ट स्पीच, इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. डायरेक्ट स्पीच क्या होता है? डायरेक्ट वर्ड ऑफ ए स्पीकर, यानी कि बोलने वाले के सही अल्फाज. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच वर्ड्स ऑफ स्पीकर बाय अदर पर्सन. स्पीकर के ये जो अल्फाज है, जब कोई दूसरा इनको अदा करेगा तो उसको आप इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कहेंगे. नाउ वी हैव हियर assertive sentences. What are assertive sentences? Assertive sentences are those sentences which are used to express statements. Assertive sentence वो sentence होते हैं जो हमें statement दिखाने के काम आता है. For example, I am a boy. She is a girl. I will play cricket. She will play football. So on and so forth. Now moving forward, how to change this assertive sentence? ये assertive sentence हम change कैसे करेंगे? He said, comma inverted comma start I will play cricket. उसने कहा comma inverted comma start मैं cricket खेलूंगा. Now how to convert this into indirect speech? ये बेटा होता है reporting clause, ये होता है reported speech. अब indirect में he said comma gets converted into that, inverted commas get vanished. I will get converted according to subject into he. Will get converted into would. Play cricket. Got it? Now we have I said comma inverted comma start you worked hard. मैंने कहा आपने मेहनत की है. I said comma is getting replaced by that. Inverted commas are vanished, you into you, worked, hard into hard. Why? Because this I am saying and I am the direct speaker. Okay. Now we will deal with interrogative sentence. अब हम बात करेंगे interrogative sentence के बारे में. Interrogative sentences are those sentences which are used to ask questions. Interrogative sentence वो sentence होते हैं जो सवाल पूछने में मदद करते हैं. Now how to change these interrogative sentences? He said to me, comma inverted comma start, do you like tea? उसने मुझे कहा क्या आपको चाय पसंद है? This is known as choice question or yes no question. How to convert this question? He into he, said to gets converted into asked, me into me, comma gets converted into if, inverted commas are vanished, do is vanished, you is getting converted into I. Like is getting converted into like it, T into T. So this is about helping verb questions, yes no questions. Okay, got it? Now we have here she said to me, comma inverted comma start, what is your name? उसने मुझे कहा आपका नाम क्या है? These questions are also called descriptive questions or WH questions. Now how to change? She into she, said to into asked, me into me. Comma gets vanished, inverted commas to get vanished. What gets converted into what? Is your name gets converted into my name was. Your into my name into name is into was. Okay, got it. Now we have third type, that is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are those sentences which shows strong feelings like happiness, sadness, wonder, courage, etc. Exclamatory sentences वो sentences होते हैं जो हमें अचानक होने वाली तब्दीली दिखाते हैं, जैसे खुशी, गम, हैरत, बहादुरी, etc. For example, bravo, well done. Hurrah, we won the match. What a lovely shot. Alas, I faced an accident. So on and so forth. Now we have here he said, comma inverted comma start, alas mode of exclamation. She failed in the exam, inverted commas close. उसने कहा अफसोस वो एग्जाम में फेल हुई. He into he, sad gets converted into exclaimed with sorrow. But if here we have hurrah, exclaimed with joy. If we have bravo, exclaimed with bravery. So we have here he exclaimed with sorrow. That comma gets replaced into that. Inverted commas are vanished. She into she, failure into failure, in into in, the into the, exam into exam. I hope you got it. Now we have here last type of sentences that are imperative sentences. अब हमारे पास आखिरी टाइप है sentences का imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are those sentences which are used to express order, command, suggestion, advice, wish, pray, etc. और wish pray में आपका optative sentence भी आता है. ओके, मैंने इससे पहले ही डिस्कस किया है. Now we have here he said comma inverted comma start shut up. उसने कहा चुप हो जाओ. He ordered me to shut up. उसने मुझे हुक्म दिया कि मैं चुप करूं. Why he gets changed to he, said into ordered me, क्योंकि मुझे दे रहा है हुक्म. ठीक है ना. Shut up, क्या shut up, comma gets converted into to. She said comma inverted comma start may you live long. उसने मुझे कहा आपकी उम्र लंबी हो. She gets converted into she, said into wished me, comma gets replaced into to, inverted commas are vanished, live long into live long. So this is all about narration in one shot. So I hope you got it very well. And remember one thing, you have only to change pronouns and tenses. Rest is okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.